Yes, my beautiful people, welcome back to Outer TV. Welcome back to the channel. As you guys can see, I am soaked from head to my toes. Yeah man, if you guys are new to the channel man, please remember to hit that subscribe button man and continue to support in the channel. If you're a returning subscriber, big up yourself as well. So, came to this river today to get some nice footage, some good content. We have quite a bit of people from the community, kids and all of that, at another location downstream, and I walk up here and people, this scene, believe me, is the reason why I am in the water right now. Right now, I literally just fill this bucket to show you how cool the water is. See, the bucket actually starts sweating already. Yeah, nice and cool. Believe me, it is feeling really good. I'm going to tell you, the water is feeling excellent. I was getting quite a bit of a good massage from this nice little fountain right there. So, yeah, see water around there, so there. Nice little massage, man. Priceless. Believe me, that is priceless. Not even AC to cool me down right now. Like how this water is making me feel. Yeah man, splendid. There's quite a bit of noise down there because there are a few locals down there with them car playing music. I know it's gonna be a lot of work to edit all of that footage that I'm gonna go down there and record, but stay tuned to the channel man. I'll give you guys an update shortly on how the locals are doing it down there. That's if they're not running from the camera, because you know how that can be. And yeah, I should have showcased this river before we actually get deep, but people, I just couldn't resist. Look at that. What more can I ask for? And again, this location, this river isn't always running, but thanks to Hurricane Beryl, Hurricane Beryl, come go on with ourselves and we actually get some water. Yeah, so big up on us. Alright, so people, here what I go on now. I am about to move from this spot, but I wanted to show you guys the head of this spring. If you guys weren't on my live stream yesterday, you probably would have missed this. So there I go upstream now. You done swim already? Alright. Yeah man, so people, so we're going now. There are other little dams that they created for the younger, like those little kids that are leaving. Them can swim in at the smaller little dam we then create, but up here at the top that I'm going now, and you can see these people, crystal clear water. Yeah man, again, big up to my truck. Now feel me, rain or shine, these trucks withstand all of the abuse. Alright, so these little red marks that you see on these stones are from some trees. Like whenever they try to pull logs along, that's the stain on the stones. So quite a few trees fell over just as you just see me cross that one. Quite a few trees fell over during the hurricane. So the locals then just come and then just cut it up and use it for fire, for cooking purposes and all of that. Alright, so I am now at the head. This is the head of the stream. It's quite peaceful here. Yeah, so back in the days we used to swim here, but from the hurricane a lot of the communities are a bit short on water. So what I noticed they did here, they've been telling the locals not to bathe at this part anymore. So what they actually do is allow people to come in here and catch drinking water. The water is flowing from underneath some stones there throughout the mountains. Yeah man, so no additives, no preservatives. No additives, no preservatives. That's it. Nice and clean river water, people. Yeah man, so up here, so nobody is allowed to swim anymore or bathe. So if you want to do anything like that, you have to come further downstream. And there are quite a few places where if you want to have your own little private bath, you can. Like the part that I was just at. Nice little spot. You have a whole heap of other little spot like this little one right here. So in front, this fallen tree. It's not too deep, but as you can see, let me show you. The line of stone, that means they're just trying to barricade the water a bit so that people can just have a bath right here. You don't need that much water or that much body of water to actually take a bath. But if you do want to swim, they have a deeper section, which that is where most of the people are right now, and that is where the music is. I mean, know me have to go maybe do a voiceover or something when I get back down there. And it's less than a minute walk from where I am right now. But I will show you now where I go on. Alright, so this is the location that I was just at. It's peaceful, calm, crystal clear. What more can you ask for? What more can you ask for? Yeah. So there are multiple tracks of getting up here, but I've recently learned that they have cut a new track going down on the left, which seems easier, but to me old school, me used to this path. So when I get back downstream, I'll keep you guys posted. Big up on yourself. Eh? Both of us here and buy 2 beer. I'll buy 2 beer. Yeah, they will go in a boat. Right, that's all.
You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, thinking something out of my reach. Say me right, but if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me? Then will you get bored of killing me?
na to. Ako daw ang